The COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 offers a complete solution for your kitchen needs, making cooking faster, healthier, and more enjoyable. Before we dive in, the link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you check the latest price for your convenience. Equipped with TurboBlaze Technology, this air fryer delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your dishes achieve perfect, crispy textures every time. Whether you're cooking chicken wings, fries, or any other main dish, you can count on it to deliver beyond crispy, juicy perfection. The COSORI Air Fryer also features precise temperature control that ranges from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook everything from delicate baked goods to hearty, crispy meals with ease. With its advanced airflow system, you get evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced textures in every bite. Thanks to the 5-fan speed system, you get a professional-grade cooking experience, bringing 9 versatile cooking functions to the table. From roasting, baking, drying, reheating, frozen cooking, broiling, and even proofing, you can create exceptional dishes with just one basket. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries or a fresh loaf of bread, this air fryer does it all. The 6-quart square basket offers a wider and deeper design, giving you the capacity to cook family-sized meals in one go. This not only saves time but also maximizes kitchen counter space and storage, so you can prepare meals for the entire family without worrying about space. And if you're concerned about the noise, no need to worry. The COSORI Air Fryer operates at less than 53 dB even on the highest fan speed. That means you can cook comfortably without being disturbed by loud noises, making for a more peaceful kitchen environment. With 95% less oil, you can enjoy crispy, delicious meals with far fewer calories and less mess. Enjoy the same great fried textures as traditional deep frying, but without the guilt. Say goodbye to greasy, high-fat foods and hello to healthier, crispier dishes in minutes. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a perfect blend of versatility, power, and convenience. Whether you're cooking for a family or just yourself, it delivers high-performance cooking with minimal effort. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for the best deal and the latest price. Enjoy healthier, crispy meals with ease.